Hey everyone, and welcome back to The Explainer. Today we're tackling a reality that honestly, millions of us deal with every single day. I'm talking about persistent, heavy exhaustion. But more importantly, we're going to dive into the cutting edge of modern clinical interventions that are actually trying to fix it. We're going to break down the real biological science behind IV therapy, looking at the clinical protocols to understand exactly how practitioners are working to restore human vitality. Let's get right into it. So, let's start with a really frustrating question. Why are you still tired after getting a full 8 hours of sleep? We've all been there, right? You wake up and you just feel incredibly heavy, foggy, and just as drained as when you went to bed. Well, the clinical data tells us that this kind of true chronic fatigue is a way deeper issue than just having a busy schedule. It actually stems from profound cellular depletion, hidden dehydration, and a sheer lack of the essential nutrients your body desperately needs to turn your food into actual physical stamina.
Section 1. Beyond normal tiredness, the cellular root of exhaustion. Okay, let's zoom way in for a second, down to the microscopic level of your cells, specifically your mitochondria. You can kind of think of these little guys as the battery inside your smartphone. Their main job is to generate adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, which is basically the electrical charge of your body. ATP is literally the primary carrier of energy in all living things. But here's the catch. When you're dealing with chronic stress, a bad diet, environmental toxins, or honestly, even just everyday dehydration, these mitochondria get super sluggish. It's exactly like trying to charge your phone with a frayed, broken cable. They just don't have the resources to make that ATP. So no matter how much you sleep, your body physically lacks the chemical energy it needs to get through the day.
Moving on to Section 2, the digestive bottleneck. Why quick fixes fail. There's this huge difference between what we think gives us energy and what actually repairs our bodies. Usually, when we're dragging, we just pour another cup of coffee or chug a sugary energy drink, right? But think about the difference between a caffeine spike and real cellular repair. Caffeine just stimulates your central nervous system. It's basically a temporary blinder that masks how tired you actually are. It does absolutely nothing to fix that underlying cellular deficit in your mitochondria. And when that stimulant wears off, oh man, you are left with a massive crash, because you've basically just been burning through borrowed energy.
So if caffeine is just a Band-Aid, what about popping a multivitamin? Well, the source material introduces this concept of a gastrointestinal obstacle course. When you swallow a standard over-the-counter vitamin pill, it is entering an incredibly hostile environment. I mean, it has to survive stomach acid, intense digestive enzymes, and just generally poor intestinal absorption rates. Because of this crazy obstacle course, only a tiny fraction of what you actually swallow makes it into your bloodstream. You could literally be flushing your hard-earned money down the drain on expensive pills that never even reach their target. Your digestive tract is essentially acting as a bottleneck, blocking the exact nutrients your cells are screaming for.
Which brings us to Section 3, the intravenous advantage bypassing the bottleneck.
100%. That is the magic number here. The absolute biggest scientific advantage of an IV drip is its 100% bioavailability. By delivering vitamins, minerals, and amino acids directly into your bloodstream, you are completely bypassing that entire digestive bottleneck we just talked about. Those nutrients are immediately available for your cells to soak up. No waiting around and zero loss of potency to your stomach acid.
When we break down the different delivery methods, the numbers are just wild. If you take an over-the-counter oral vitamin, you're looking at a measly 10 to 30% absorption rate, and that can take hours or even days to actually do anything. Energy drinks? Sure. They act fast as a stimulant, usually in about 15 to 30 minutes, but they actually cause further depletion of your system. You aren't retaining any nutrients. Sublingual drops under the tongue are a bit better, giving you about 40 to 60% absorption in under an hour. But then you have intravenous infusions. Boom, 100% absorption. The effect is immediate, and you get high cellular saturation that oral methods just flat out cannot match.
And because practitioners have this direct access, they can safely administer much higher therapeutic doses of the good stuff. It's kind of like building the ultimate recipe for vitality. First up is sterile saline. This is huge because it instantly corrects that hidden dehydration that's secretly making you so lethargic during the day. Then you throw in B-complex vitamins to help convert your food directly into cellular fuel. Next is vitamin B12, absolutely vital for neurological health and making red blood cells. And finally, magnesium, which does wonders for regulating muscle function, nerve transmission, and relaxing your blood vessels for better circulation. Now, if you tried to take these kinds of therapeutic doses orally, your stomach would be in knots. But intravenously, they completely bypass the gut and just bathe your cells in exactly what they need.
Section 4. NAD+ and cellular repair, advanced biological protocols.
Now, for people dealing with really severe brain fog or profound burnout, the standard vitamins sometimes just aren't enough. Enter a compound called niacin, which is a direct precursor to something called NAD+. Now, NAD+ is a critical coenzyme found in literally every single living cell in your body. You need it to turn food into energy and to protect your cognitive health. The problem? Our natural levels of NAD+ drop as we get older, and they drop when we're stressed. By replenishing it using highly bioavailable precursors like niacin, these advanced protocols are directly targeting your mitochondrial health to fight back against that natural energy crash.
There's a line from the clinical literature that sums this up perfectly. Replenishing this coenzyme promotes profound mental clarity and physical endurance. That is the ultimate goal here. And what's really cool, and a bit advanced, so stick with me, is how customizable this all is. Practitioners can actually layer in specific amino acid sequences called targeted peptide therapy right into these regimens. These peptides basically act as chemical messengers telling your body to repair itself faster. They help regulate sleep, speed up muscle recovery, and support your endocrine system. It's incredibly targeted cellular-level restoration.
Section 5. The Treatment Experience. Proactive Health Management.
So what does this actually look and feel like in the real world if you go to a specialized clinic like Prime IV Hydration and Wellness? Well, it starts with a clinical assessment. No two tired people are the same, so medical pros figure out exactly what your specific deficits are to customize your drip. Second, you are definitely not sitting in a cold, stressful hospital room. You're chilling in a state-of-the-art zero-gravity massage chair designed to take all the pressure off your spine. It's basically an hour of total peace where you can read, put on some headphones, or, honestly, just take a really fantastic nap. And lastly, cellular saturation. The whole thing is overseen by licensed medical staff, so you know you're getting safe, medically supervised hydration from start to finish.
Now, as for the results, it's typically a journey from rapid relief to monthly maintenance. Because it's all going straight into the bloodstream, a lot of people say they feel the brain fog lifting and a nice surge of energy before they even get out of the chair. But, and this is key, true cellular repair takes consistency. Usually, if you're dealing with chronic fatigue, you'd start with maybe 1 to 2 sessions a week to aggressively restock those depleted nutrients. Once you hit a good, healthy baseline, you just naturally transition into a proactive maintenance routine of maybe once or twice a month. We have covered some seriously fascinating biological ground today, from hacking the powerhouses of our cells to the sheer power of 100% bioavailability. So I want to leave you with a question, and really think about this one when you look at your daily routine. Are you actually fueling your cells, or are you just masking your exhaustion? Are you actively managing your biological health, or just riding the caffeine roller coaster to hide how tired you really are? It's a huge question for anyone who wants to actually optimize their energy. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today on The Explainer. Keep learning, keep questioning, and I'll see you all next time.